Growing on LinkedIn sounds simple. Post content, engage with people, and build your network. But if you have actually tried doing it consistently, you know it actually turns into hours of scrolling, commenting, and staying active every single day. And the truth is, if you're not engaging consistently, your content just doesn't reach people. You might be posting great content, but without engagement, it gets buried. So the real challenge isn't just creating content, it's staying active every single day. Now imagine if your entire engagement, commenting, interacting, and staying visible could run automatically in the background without sounding spammy or robotic. That's exactly what ConnectSafely.ai does. It helps you automate your LinkedIn growth through smart, AI powered engagement that actually feels human. Let me show you how this actually works inside the platform. Now, let me walk you through my personal dashboard inside ConnectSafely.ai and show you the core feature auto commenting how it actually works. So, under the commenting section, this is where the entire automation happens. And the most important part here is keyword settings. This is basically the engine behind auto commenting. Here, you define your target niche using keywords. For example, sales, startup, SaaS, marketing, LinkedIn growth. So the AI will only find and engage with posts related to these topics. You can also target specific people using author titles like founders, CEOs, CTOs, or decision makers. So instead of engaging randomly, you are engaging with the right audience. Now, coming to control. You can choose whether you want full automation or enable manual approval where you review each comment before it gets posted. You can also set daily limits so your activity stays natural and safe. And one of the most powerful features here is personas. You can create your own persona. So instead of generic replies, your comments match your tone, your style, and your personality. I have explained this in detail in a separate video. You can check that out. And it's not just commenting. The AI also adds relevant reactions to posts, making the engagement feel completely natural. Now, if you want to track everything, keyword activity is basically your tracking dashboard. Here, you can see all the comments that have been posted from your account, along with performance and activity logs. Then we have creator settings. This allows you to target specific creators or profiles so you can focus your engagement on a more refined audience. And then creator activity. It also works similarly to keyword activity. It helps you track interactions and engagement specifically related to those targeted creators. And finally, under the manage personas, you can create and edit your personas, basically customizing your entire commenting style. So that's how ConnectSafely.ai automates your engagement and keeps you consistently active on LinkedIn. Now let's move to the next powerful feature, that is the post boosting. So that's how you stay consistently active on LinkedIn. But what if you want to grow a specific post faster? That's where the post boosting feature comes in. Here's how simple it is. Just paste a LinkedIn post URL and you are ready to start boosting engagement. In my case, I have already boosted most of my own posts. So here I'm using a team member's post to show you how this actually works. Now you can configure exactly how you want the engagement to happen. You can choose the number of comments you want, the type and tone of engagement, and even control the delivery speed. So instead of everything happening instantly, the engagement is spread out naturally, just like organic activity. And this brings us to a powerful advantage. You're not limited to boosting your own post, you can cross boost as well, which means you can boost posts from any other profile as well using your connected LinkedIn accounts. So whether it's your team, your client, or even a friend's post, you can drive engagement to it directly. This makes it extremely useful not just for individuals but also for creators, agencies, and teams managing multiple profiles. And once you start the boost, engagement begins rolling in based on the settings you have configured. And along with boosting, you have also a couple of supporting tools here. Post, where you can view and manage all your posts in one place. Engagement pods, which help you coordinate and drive engagement across multiple accounts more effectively. Now, boosting helps you grow individual posts, but stay consistent with your content overall. Let's look at the next feature, which is the post scheduler. Now, boosting helps you grow individual posts, But to stay consistent with your overall content, you also have the post scheduler. With this, you can plan your content in advance and schedule it for a specific time. So instead of posting manually every day, your content goes live automatically based on your schedule. It's simple but really useful if you want to stay consistent without worrying about posting daily. But this is just the surface. If you want to take automation to the next level where your LinkedIn can actually connect with AI systems, let's look at the MCP server integration offered by ConnectSafely.ai. Now we have covered content and engagement, but this is where everything comes together. This is Claude integrations powered by Connect Safely's MCP server. With this, you can connect your LinkedIn account to Claude and automate your entire workflow in the background. So instead of running everything manually, your engagement, activity, and workflows can run continuously even when you're offline. This basically allows you to build a system where your LinkedIn growth is not dependent on you being active all the time. Everything runs consistently in a much more scalable and efficient way. And this is just the beginning. We are actively working on expanding integrations with more AI platforms like OpenClaw and other LLM based tools, so you'll be able to connect and automate even more advanced workflows in the future. And if you want to explore this deeper, I have already created several use cases videos around this, and even a complete step by step demo on how to connect your LinkedIn to Claude using Connect Safely's MCP server. So overall, ConnectSafely.ai is not just a tool. It's a complete system to automate your LinkedIn growth. From engagement to post boosting to content scheduling and now cloud-based automation. Everything works together seamlessly. If you're serious about growing on LinkedIn while saving time, this is definitely something you should check out. And if you want detailed tutorials, you can explore the videos I have mentioned. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you in another video.